Okay, so before I had stem cells, it's been years and years and years of pain and inability to walk, inability to, I work and everything, but I was using a walker at this point to even be able to go into work. Very difficult getting out of a chair. It's, for those who have knee problems, you know what I'm talking about. Even just if you sit for 5 minutes, you're so stiff, you just can barely move. And it's pretty horrible, actually, way to live. Excuse me. So I was told that I needed both of my knees replaced. And that stem cells, I was way too far gone for stem cells, way too far gone, and that wouldn't work for me. And that was in San Diego. But and the doctors were great doctors, no question, but they just really didn't want me to spend the money to work on that if they didn't think it was going to work. And I thought to myself, no, it's got to be I got to try this first. This is much better than getting both of your knees fully replaced. It just got to be better than that. God brought me here as far as I'm concerned, but because I was driving around in the parking lots and I saw this place, I go, oh my gosh, it's like an oasis. And just decided to call and get some information on the stem cells. And everybody here was so friendly and so inviting and warm, and I got a lot of information as well off of their, so finally I did it, and it was just amazing. The results have been amazing. The first afternoon that I did it, I was better. I mean, I could feel the difference, and I thought, well, maybe it's just mind over matter, but it wasn't. It's kind of like the feeling that I'm getting from this. I can get out of a chair now after sitting for 5-10 minutes. I can get out of the car after being in it for an hour without any pain. I'm still pretty weak muscularly, but I don't have the pain. The pain's just not, I can't, I could cry if it's like, because I've been like this for so long, decades. And in one form or another, just really have been struggling with this for a very long time. So, I mean, it's a miracle to me, science to them. But I cannot tell you, if you're sitting on the edge trying to think of whether you should do it, don't even think about it. Just come do it, because you just don't have any idea how much better you're going to feel. And nobody can guarantee the results for everybody, and I understand that. But they told me I was too far gone to even try this, and it would be a waste of money. And it was the best money I've ever spent, ever.